Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back. Can you believe that? It's been actually very long time, but I'm so glad to be here, guys. I just came back to share an amazing adventure and crazy news with you. I bought an Airstream, a 1976 caravan from the States, North America. Is a player to introduce her to all of you. That is a massive project. I'm planning to renovate my Airstream to make a full-time house, professional studio house, apartment or house, whatever you want to say, for a professional photographer and a model. So if you wanna be part of that adventure, please, I invite you to support me, to just click the button and subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted to have you here. Yeah, to say that, let's start the adventure, shall we?
Morning. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm going to the gym at 6, so yeah. Today's the day.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
I'm like having this pressure here, and like anyway, that's it.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew.
Yeah, I'm excited and we're getting so many things together. It's like
So it's going to be a long haul.
a long haul. We'll be
Long haul, right?
Yeah, I think no. We'll be 3 for 1. So. Yeah, okay.
Dinner.
Okay, dinner.
No wine.
Secret dinner.
Perfect.
Oysters, wine. Yes.
White wine,
Yes.
perfect, come on.
Love it.
Yeah. No, 3 months, no way.
3 for 1.
No way, 3 months.
Remember.
6 months.
No way. I can't do that.
So, something, you need a unit to eat it. So you're going to need a unit there. So there's 2 types.
I'm recording all of that and then I want to watch it again and again to
So
remember
you're still recording? Right. So there's 2 types. So you can go either hot air,
Yeah.
which is a Truma system.
Yeah.
Okay, or the ALD system, ALDE I think it is, which is the best. But in all categories, it's the best.
Why?
There's radiators,
Okay.
because I've got one of each in both. I've got an ALD system in my first Airstream,
Yeah.
and then I've got a Truma system
In
in.
there.
The problem with the Truma system is that it works really. It's okay, but the heating takes priority over the shower. So
Something I can't deal with, and it's my prioritize, is I cannot be in a cold room. Right now, in winter in UK, my house is 25 degrees. So that is my prioritize. I want to live in an Airstream. The only thing need to be done is I need to be in a hot Airstream.
okay.
So if it's cold, I will drink it.
It won't be cold. It's never cold as long as you've got the right heating system. Okay. Where is it?
It's here, he's here, and these are the Airstream.
That's it there.
Hello, baby. Come home. So here is when the Airstream wanna sleep for the next
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
That is Ed.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light.
Morning.
And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling